How can I become a Christian? Being a Christian is a marvelous experience of cultivating a relationship of permanent love with Christ. Above all, you have to give Him your heart and begin to walk with Him. The first step is to acknowledge that you cannot do it alone. Jesus said, I am the vine, you are the branches. He who abides in me and I in him bear much fruit. For without me you cannot do nothing. John chapter 15 verse 5. After you acknowledging your inability, you will take the second step, which is to believe what God can do. Nothing is impossible for Him. Jesus looked at them and said to them, with men this is impossible, but with God all things are possible. Matthew chapter 19 verse 26. Since you cannot, but God can, the third step to becoming a Christian is to accepting Jesus' caring invitation. Come to me, all you who labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. Matthew chapter 11 verse 28. Go to Jesus just as you are and learn to walk with Him each day and allow Him to do for you what you are unable to do in your own strength. And may God bless. Amen.